crying. No, he's crying.
I think that one was just born. Now she's underneath the goddamn sprayer. Here, come here. Get out of here. Come on. Oh, you're a cutie. Come on, let's go this way. Go find your mother. I'm not your mother.
How am I supposed to do this? This is so bad. Cleaning himself. The little baby is cleaning himself. And are you kidding me? Nothing? You are joking me?
Oi. Yeah, he's scared too.
No, not really.
Neither way. Ow!
Ow!
How do you do that? How do you freaking do that?
Hi, we'll be right out.
Suzu. Oh, babe, I think she might get stuck in the tunnel. Jade, move.
Leave it.
Come here, baby.
You did such a good job. I'm not letting you in this house. Oh, wow. Can you put it down? Can you put it down?
I can go on the other side and use those other push pins so we can just take them out with the felt. Hi, Kitty. Oh, you're cute.
Oh my gosh, baby bobcat. Look at that little guy.